Today I'm going to go over how to install a side marker bulb on this. Now this one is very difficult to get to and even harder to film because it is this one all the way back here. You can just see the wires. It's that one. If you have big hands, it is very hard to get into. So I'm going to show you what you do is you grab that harness. See if I can get you close enough to see it. Inside the depths of a car. There it is right there. So you grab that guy and you turn it counterclockwise and then you pull it out. And I'll show you what it looks like over on this side. I have this one out over here. Once you get it out, you can grab the bulb and make sure you grab with gloves and pull. You can pull the bulb out. In this, we just whoop. I'll put a link in the description for the bulb. It's a 194. Put that back in. Now remember, if you do get a LED bulb for this, that you can put it in the wrong way, you might need to flip it 180 degrees. Now when you put it back in, you have to line up these little notches. You'll feel it set into place and then you have to twist it back. That is the hardest part of this whole thing. So I'm going to try to show you, but this is super tight. You can see that little bit of light there. That is the opening for the bulb. And I'm going to try to, there's the holder. And somehow, with humongous hands, you have to get that into that spot. Somehow, I have managed to get this in here. And now, I have to finagle it shut with this much space and nowhere to turn my hand. All right, and I had to flip my hand so you can see. I got it oriented with my hand the other way, and then I was able to click it into place with my hand going this way. Super tight spot. Hopefully this was helpful. It's that black holder right there for the bulb. That's the side marker bulb. That's for the entire fixture, and then this is your turn signal over here. So if this was helpful in any way, please leave a comment. We'll see you next time.